Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Tech Overlords, and today we are having the Fiio A1 portable headphone amplifier. Now Fiio is the most preferred brand when it comes to portable music players or amplifiers, and they are preferred all over the world by audiophiles along with me. Although I'm not an audiophile right now, I'm still a noob to this whole audiophilia world. Anyways, the box which you can see is pretty small, and you have the codes over here which you can use to verify this product on their official website. So that is great. Now the packaging is quite nice. It's small, and I guess I got the black color. You also have, sorry, I got the gray color. You also have an option to take the black color. So the A1 which you see is the cheapest offering from Fiio. This portable headphone amplifier is mainly designed to use it on the go when you are traveling in a bus or car. Oh my god, just look at it. It's tiny, right? Now, I do not recall the exact dimensions, but it is quite small, and you have a clip which you can use it to attach in your pocket. So I believe that one is the headphone jack, and this is the power on button, and you have the volume controls on the middle, volume up and volume down. So this thing is made up of metal, I believe. So in spite of being a cheaper amp, it doesn't feel cheap to me, at least in any way. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, nothing. Really? Huh. Oh. You also have a small box hidden over here, so somehow it's sticking to that plastic thing. Okay, so let's check what you have got in this small case. Again, the stupid manuals. Okay, so this one is not stupid. It is the warranty card which you should preserve safely in case of any defects. Now this, I believe, is a really stupid guide, user guide, which I will never need. Nobody will ever need this. Oh, they're showing you how to use a clip. That's really funny. That language must be Chinese. Anyway, I don't understand their language, so I'm gonna keep that aside for now. Let's see what else we have got in the box. Oh man, what the fuck's that? Okay, so they supply you with some additional clips in case you break that one. So no, that's pretty nice. So you have a charging cable and an aux cable, I believe. Yeah, normal USB cable, and you have an aux cable, and you have what? Another aux cable? It doesn't make any sense to me. So anyways, you can find this amp for I think $20 or even less, so that is pretty good. And in India you can get this guy for I think 1,900 rupees or something like that. So in that price bracket, you're getting a lot of stuff, I must say. You're getting a lot of cables, so that is great. Hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing video. I'll be coming up with the full review soon, so keep an eye out in my channel for that. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So alright guys, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take it easy and stay tuned for more.